Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
According to the National Weather Service, the blizzard of '78 set other records, including the most snow in 1 month in Indianapolis, 30.6 inches, and the most snow on the ground in Indianapolis, 20 inches, which included 5 inches already on the ground from a snowstorm the previous weekend. 25 January 2021.
Take our lead.
Iran blizzard. The Iran blizzard of February 1972 was the deadliest blizzard in history. A week-long period of low temperatures and severe winter storms, lasting the 3rd to the 9th of February 1972, resulted in the deaths of approximately 4,000 people.
Take our lead.
About 2 inches of new snow accumulated on top of the 37-inch snowpack and drifts from previous storms extending back to Christmas, and city streets packed with snow, so badly that the National Guard was called in even before anyone knew about the coming blizzard. 28 January 2015.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Ohio Valley. The Great Blizzard of 1978 was a historic winter storm that struck the Ohio Valley and Great Lakes regions from Wednesday, January 25 through Friday, January 27, 1978. It is often cited as one of the most severe blizzards in U.S. history.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.